Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out DBTV.
We're watching Deep Roots TV!
Hello! If you have not subscribed as yet, hit that red subscribe button. You let me clear this screen here. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. It's a special election special as Jamaicans have found themselves reaping the benefits of hard work in the United States, specifically in Lauderhill, Florida, where a Jamaican woman by the name of Denise Grant has become Lauderhill's first melanated, you would say black, female mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, it's a sweet time at this time for a lot of the, you know, candidates that ran in the election, and some people, I should say bittersweet time, because some people find themselves, you know, licking their wounds because they did not found themselves at a victorious spot as Jamaican American Denise Grant was elected mayor of city of Lauderhill on Tuesday, that's November 5th. Grant won by convincing amount with a 62.69% of the votes, where her rival, Lawrence Martin, aka Jabbo, received 37.3% of the vote. Grant has served as Lauderhill City's commissioner since November 2018. In 2020, she was elected vice mayor of the city. She gained the respect of the constituents by campaigning impactful community program policies and initiatives, now earning her numerous awards and accolades. In addition to her role as commissioner, Grant also served various governmental boards, including National League of City Human Development Community. Now, not only did Mrs. Grant, a Jamaican, you know, person, female, actually I should give her her accolades, her flowers, because she has shattered the glass ceiling. She's a melanated, a black, the first black Lauderhill mayor. And you know how the election was deeply divided amongst sex, race, and class. As you know, President Trump won re-election against Kamala Harris and other Jamaicans such as Mark Douglas, former city commissioner, challenging incumbent Mike Ryan for the mayor, failed. But victoriously, Commissioner Richard Campbell and, yes, John T., also Ray Martin and Melissa Dunn, retained and won their seat. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a duty of mine to point out when our islanders go abroad and have success, because a lot of us are not in the position to participate in any election at all. So when you get a chance to participate in such a thing as important as an election, may I tell you, say, don't be fooled. Participate, because when you participate, that's where you determine the federal or the government money gets spent. Congratulations to President Donald Trump and the mega force, you know, and congratulations to all those who ran a clean and honest race. The race is not just for the swift, but for those who endure. So if you weren't successful, I wish you good luck on your endeavors. And like I said, and actually learned, if you try and did not find the sex to success, then I suggest you